welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time coming since my last video. I know, I'm so sorry for that. I've been so busy, but in my defense, let me just say I have been working on some really cool content y'all are gonna like. I'm just saying, I think you're gonna like it, so stay tuned. I think it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be popping. It's very different from what you've been seeing on my channel this far, but I really think it's gonna bring some freshness to this, you know, and your girl is all about freshness. I can't wait to hear what you guys say about it. Moving along, talking about freshness, how do you like my new hair? Oh my god, this hair is everything. Everything. I just want to send a quick shout out to my girl Ariel. If you're looking to bring some life to your hair, run to Texture Hair Salon in Ottawa. I'm just gonna place a photo somewhere here, you know, so you guys can have an idea of what my hair looked like. My hair was a complete mess, as y'all can see here. This is not normal. It's not. This ain't no lie. No lie, no lie, no lie, yeah. Okay, anyways, I have been promising to share my skin routine with you guys so you guys can see some of the things I do. My skin is not perfect, as you guys can see. I have no makeup on. Today I was all about being el natural because in the last couple of weeks my skin just went completely off, and with spring here and summer just around the corner, I thought I should just give my skin a bit more treatment, use less products, and just try to bring that glow back to my skin. My skin has been very dry. I've been having lots of breakouts, so I thought, you know what, I want to have my skin ready for summer. I don't want to be wearing loads of makeup during summer, you know. It's just gonna make the situation even worse. If you have a ton of product on your skin during summer, it's just not good. It's not good, honey. You're not trying to do that. You're gonna clog your pores. It's just gonna be a mess. You don't want that. During warmer weather, you just want to keep your skin nice and moisturized. You want your skin to breathe. You want to have a glowing skin and use very minimal amounts of product. All I'm saying is I'm not trying to play with tons of foundation, a beat face all day, every day. So what I did to start my skin treatment is go for days with no makeup. I'm going an entire week with no makeup. My skin is responding so much better to all the treatments that I'm doing, and it's just great. A fresh looking face, honey, is what's in this summer. Have some days off and let your skin repair itself. Some of the products I'll be using today, I have been using for a while and I love them. I totally recommend, but some of the products are just new. So let's do this. Hair and skin is everything. My skincare routine is very simple. It usually starts off with my wipes, okay? I use these wipes by Neutrogena. Sometimes I use these, sometimes I use the purple ones. I really love the purple ones because I love purple and I think they're nice. I don't know why, but these are as good, so it doesn't matter. You just want wipes. These makeup wipes are everything for me. These are all-in-one makeup removing cleansing wipes. When I have a beat face, these are amazing because they remove the majority of the makeup, and it's easier for me to clean my face with the following steps. If I don't have any makeup on, just like today, I still use them because my skin has been exposed to so much dust outside, and these remove the impurities that my skin was exposed to the entire day. I think every girl should have these. I just think so, honey. The other reason why I love these wipes, because they're so easy. When you have a night out, I mean, you just go and it's done. If you wear tons of makeup, you know what I'm talking about. So having wipes will save your life. If you've been watching my channel, you know about this. I have been using this product for a long time now. One of my girls at Sephora recommended this product to me, and I have been using it for almost a year. I love this product. It's by Makeup Forever. It says that it's good to remove eye makeup, but to be honest, sometimes I use it around my face to make sure that all of the makeup is gone. This removes anything. I love it. I love this product. It was actually one of my greatest finds. There's nothing worse than removing eye makeup. If you wear eyeshadows and the eyeliner and you do the entire shebang, you'll understand why I recommend this product to you guys. If you try it, let me know how you feel about it, because this is gonna seriously change your life too. Life changing. We're the best, life changing. Major key. grateful. I don't know why I said that. The next step is cleanser. I decided to try this product because I love the ingredients in it. It cleanses, it removes makeup, and it soothes. And Garnier is a great brand, so I decided to give this product a try. As I mentioned before, there are certain products that I'll be trying for the first time, so bear with me. I think this is gonna be great. I'm actually super excited to try this product. So this will be my cleanser today. I've been wanting to try Lush products for a while, and I went there and I was so excited. Guys, I was like a kid in a candy store. I don't remember the last time I was that excited for skin products. I was everywhere. I tried their scrubs, their lotions. I tried so many things. It was a beautiful day with the Lush family. Before I go ahead and do the mask, I always exfoliate my skin. Now this is amazing. This one here is green. Look at that, guys. When you feel like people have put in some work into making the customer's experience that much amazing and fabulous, it's just so worth it. I love it. I love to be pampered as a customer. I love to see that people actually spend some time designing their products to make me as a customer feel special. Every product at Lush just made me feel extra special, and I would totally recommend it to anyone. I'll be using this Ocean Salt face body scrub. It's a new season and the needs of my skin have changed. Having a little switch of products when it's warmer makes my skin a bit better. Look at this babe. Amazing skin. Amazing skin. Wow, it's already looking good and so soft. So soft. I mean, this is looking really great. They recommended that I try this Don't Look at Me face mask. This mask is blue. Blue, so cool. That's gonna be awesome. Yeah. It smells amazing, so I really want to give this one a try before I actually buy it. So we'll be trying this face mask today. Okay. Oh, honey. Ooh. Oh, honey. Oh my God. Don't look at me, man. Oh, it smells so good. I could just eat. I'm just putting a lot because why not, you know, like just make sure that you have this mask like everywhere. I'm gonna put in the areas that I have issues. Oh, look at me, man. Oh, look at me. Oh, look at me, man. Oh, look at me. Oh, look at me, man. I think I put like a lot on my nose, but you know what? The nose needs some scrubbing. You look like a ghost for a couple of minutes to look divine for the rest of your lives. I think this should be enough. Ooh, 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 ooh. Therapy thing. Girl like so. Alright guys, so I've had this mask for the past 30 minutes now. The mask is really cool. It feels really soft on the skin. It doesn't really dry up like that. It doesn't feel as hard as most masks do. It feels kind of soft, to be honest. It was really easy on my skin. You know, it didn't feel uncomfortable at any point. Some masks actually feel like casts on your face. I feel like no one takes you serious when you're looking crazy like this. I'll say that my lips, oh my God, this moisturizing thing right here, it's high, to be honest, it's high, you know. I'm not gonna give it like 5 stars or whatever. I don't know, I guess I have to use it for longer. I'll just use it later and see how it feels. For now, it's still, you know, new, so I don't know, and it's not like everything is gonna be okay from one second to the other. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off, and let's see the reveal. My skin looks so soft, guys. I'm so in love with this mask. Don't Look at Me face mask. Y'all gotta try this. Your skin thanks. I mean, your skin thanks. Look. I think I was talking too much.
Oh my God.
they're impact resistant too. This was open and it didn't even budge. Oh honey, this is some great stuff. So once you're done with your mask, you use your toner. I've been using Nivea toners forever. I switched from the blue to the pink. I chose this pink one because it says that it's great for dry and sensitive skin. That has been my main problem ever since I came to Canada. My skin became very dry, so I just wanted to give it a switch. It's almost finishing, so probably I'll be trying new products because these have been my life for years. My mom also uses Nivea toners, like it's a family thing, you know? And with Coolio, my skin is really feeling soft. It's feeling so soft, guys. I am so happy. And now we're gonna go to my favorite and final step of my skincare routine, hydration. I sing a lot. After the toner, I use my favorite product ever. Peter Thomas Hydrating Cream. If you have been watching my channel from day one, you know I die for this product. This product is everything. If you're looking to hydrate your skin, oh my god, how amazing and hydrated my skin looks. I love my Aveeno for my body and everything, but when it comes to my face, Lord have mercy. This is the best hydrating cream I've ever used in my entire life. Go around your face really softly, massage it upwards because obviously you don't want your skin to sag. You want your skin to lift. If you can get your hands on this product, let me know how you feel. I highly recommend it. Your skin is gonna thank you for life. I'm pretty sure there's plenty of other people who have said that before, but you know what, honey? Try it. Try it because you're gonna love it. Once I'm done with everything, I like to put a bit of Vaseline on my eyelashes. It's a great way to treat your eyelashes. Just put a bit of Vaseline on your lashes and it's all good. And voila guys, fresh face. This is my current skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love the Garnier cleansing water I just got. I love the mask and the exfoliating creams by Lush. If you want to try something new, I'm totally recommending these products. You're gonna love it. Your skin is gonna feel amazingly fresh and super soft. I've been complaining so much about my dry skin. I'm pretty happy with my new skincare routine. I'm gonna keep it for a while. My skin is looking radiant, feeling fresh and soft. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more of my skincare routine, shoot me a message right on the comment section down below or holla at me on my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and let me know what you like to see. And now guys, this is it. I'm ready to go and whoop-dee-dee-scoop, whoop whoop. Yes, go to bed. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. We go through so much hassle to make these videos for you. It doesn't hurt to show some love and just subscribe to the channel. You're not forced, but then again, you still could do it, you know, because you're a nice person and you want to show love to your sister. Okay? Remember to spread the love and stay fabulous, honey.